They're about to bail. We're going into his property. Stand by.
A suspect learned the hard way not to run from a K-9 police officer. The Pasco Sheriff's Office in Florida released this body cam video from the arrest. They say when a deputy pulled over a vehicle that was reported stolen, the two occupants ran from the car. The deputy deployed his K-9, named Chef, to pursue one of the suspects. In the video, K-9 Shep bites down on the suspect's rear and won't let him go. The human deputy also refuses to release the dog's grip until the suspect is handcuffed.
Give me your hand. Give me your hand.
The suspect was medically checked out and cleared and charged with grand theft auto. For InsideEdition.com, I'm Mara Montalbano.